Do not let the stunning beauty of this white sand deceive you today. Hidden dangers are waiting right beneath your bare feet. Millions of mutated superbugs are quietly hiding in these beautiful grains of sand. They are desperately waiting to enter your warm bloodstream. Summer vacations at the sunny beach are always wonderful experiences. However, this beautiful paradise conceals a truly unexpected and very dark secret. Welcome to Microbe World. Today we explore rare resistant bacteria quietly hiding inside the ordinary sand of our beautiful and sunny beaches. These invisible killers are the direct result of severe marine pollution. Untreated sewage and industrial waste are dumped directly into the ocean. Let us zoom in and look under an advanced electron microscope. Within every single grain of sand lies a truly microscopic universe. Here we can clearly observe the terrifying superbugs. These special microbes have successfully evolved to survive the harshest toxic chemical ocean conditions. They possess a thick, glowing purple protective shell. This biological armor makes them completely immune to almost all common human medical treatments. These resilient organisms originally came from dirty urban wastewater. They traveled vast distances through pipes before finally settling in our beach sand. Imagine a child happily building a large sandcastle. A tiny, invisible scratch on their soft skin becomes a deadly gateway for bacteria. The contaminated ocean waves gently wash over the golden shore. Each wave brings thousands of new microscopic threats to the beautiful beach. Microscopic plastic particles are also scattered across this sandy environment. These plastics provide a perfect artificial surface for dangerous bacteria to grow. Toxic chemicals from nearby factories mix with the salty seawater. This deadly chemical soup forces the weak ocean bacteria to mutate rapidly. Only the strongest and most adaptable microorganisms can survive here. They quickly develop unique genetic traits to resist all modern human medicine. Let us look closer at their complex internal biological structure. They produce specialized chemical enzymes designed to destroy our best medical antibiotics. When an antibiotic molecule approaches the outer membrane of bacteria, these powerful enzymes instantly break the medicine into completely harmless tiny pieces. This incredible defense mechanism renders standard medical treatments completely useless. Doctors around the world are struggling to fight these new dangerous infections. A sharp, broken seashell lies hidden just beneath the surface. Stepping on it creates a tiny microscopic cut on your bare heel. Instantly, thousands of purple superbugs rush towards the fresh wound. They recognize the warm human blood as a perfect new home today. The human immune system immediately detects the dangerous foreign invaders. White blood cells quickly rush to the scene to protect the body. However, the mutated bacteria are heavily armored and highly aggressive. They easily push past our natural biological defenses without showing any fear. Once inside the warm bloodstream, they begin to multiply rapidly. One single cell becomes 2, then 4, then 8 in quick succession. The infected patient soon develops a high fever and inflammation. The soft skin around the tiny cut turns angry red and swollen. At the busy hospital, doctors quickly administer standard antibiotic treatments. They hope to stop the spreading infection before it becomes completely fatal. But the medicine simply bounces off the glowing purple shields. The panicked doctors realize they are dealing with a terrifying resistant strain. This scary scenario is becoming increasingly common in modern hospitals. Our heavily polluted oceans are breeding diseases that we cannot easily cure. We must trace this massive global problem back to its roots. Massive concrete pipes continuously pour dark toxic sludge into the sea. This dark sludge contains leftover antibiotics from our human cities. These trace amounts of drugs force wild ocean bacteria to adapt quickly. Agricultural runoff also carries animal medications directly into the coastal waters. This creates a perfect training ground for dangerous and microscopic pathogens. The ocean currents carry these newly trained superbugs for many miles. They eventually wash up on the shores of popular tourist destinations. Innocent families happily spread their colorful towels over the contaminated sand. They have no idea about the invisible war raging right underneath. A microscopic view reveals a dense jungle of glowing bacterial colonies. They form sticky protective biofilms that tightly grip the sand grains. These thick biofilms act like heavily fortified microscopic military defense bunkers. They protect the delicate bacterial cells from harsh and deadly radiation. Even the extreme heat of the midday sun cannot destroy them. They simply enter a dormant sleep state and wait for moisture. When high tide returns, the cool ocean water wakes them up. They immediately resume their relentless and hungry search for organic food. Sometimes they tightly attach themselves to tiny pieces of floating seaweed. This clever strategy allows them to travel further along the coastline. Hungry seagulls and other coastal birds can also carry these microbes. They transport the resistant bacteria to completely new and unexpected locations. The global scale of this invisible biological threat is absolutely staggering. Every single polluted public beach becomes a potential hazard for everyone. Dedicated scientists frequently collect sand samples to study these evolving populations. Their laboratory tests reveal highly alarming levels of medical drug resistance. In the lab, they expose the purple bacteria to strong antibiotics. Amazingly, the superbugs continue to thrive and multiply without any difficulty. We are witnessing a rapid artificial evolution driven by human carelessness. Our modern industrial society is accidentally creating its own worst enemy. Let us dive back into the hidden microscopic world of sand. Notice how the bacteria actively share genetic information with their neighbors. They use tiny biological tubes to transfer their resistant DNA directly. This incredible process is widely known as horizontal gene transfer today. Through this method, even harmless native beach bacteria can become dangerous. They quickly learn the deadly secrets of surviving strong medical treatments. The entire microbial community on the beach gradually becomes highly toxic. It is a terrifying, silent transformation that nobody can easily see. What happens when these superbugs enter a deep wound or scratch? The resulting human skin infection can rapidly destroy healthy muscle tissue. Severe inflammation spreads quickly through the affected limb within few hours. The infected patient experiences intense pain as the aggressive bacteria multiply. Without effective antibiotics, desperate surgeons are often forced to remove tissue. This extreme medical measure is the only way to save lives. Dangerous bloodstream infections are even more deadly and incredibly difficult to treat. The lethal bacteria can easily travel to vital human organs. Once they reach the human heart, they can cause permanent damage. A simple, fun day at the beach turns into a nightmare. This terrifying reality highlights the critical importance of protecting our oceans. We simply cannot continue treating the vast blue sea as garbage. Modern cities must invest heavily in advanced wastewater treatment plant facilities. These critical systems can filter out harmful pathogens before they escape. Powerful ultraviolet light purification can effectively destroy the DNA of superbugs. This completely prevents them from reproducing and spreading into the environment. Strict environmental regulations are absolutely necessary to control global industrial pollution. Factories must safely neutralize their toxic chemical waste before final disposal. Agricultural practices also need a massive and fundamental global safety overhaul. Farmers should significantly reduce their heavy reliance on cheap animal antibiotics. Every single person can play a vital role in this fight. By choosing sustainable, eco-friendly products, we actively reduce harmful chemical runoff. When planning your next summer vacation, always research the local beaches. Choose clean coastal destinations that prioritize excellent environmental water quality control. Look for official Blue Flag certifications that guarantee safe swimming conditions. These beautiful protected areas carefully manage their local human waste daily. While enjoying the warm sand, always be mindful of open wounds. Cover any small cuts with secure waterproof bandages before swimming outside. After a long, fun day at the beach, wash your body. Use clean, fresh water and mild soap to remove invisible bacteria. If you notice any unusual redness or swelling on your skin, act. Seek immediate professional medical attention to prevent a serious infection. Early medical intervention is often the key to surviving these superbugs. Doctors might need to use rare and powerful alternative drug combinations. The microscopic universe is constantly shifting and adapting to our actions. We are locked in an endless evolutionary arms race with bacteria. To win this invisible war, we must respect the natural balance. Human health is deeply and permanently connected to health of oceans. Imagine a scary future where a simple scratch becomes a death sentence. This dark reality happens if we ignore the pollution crisis. But there is still plenty of hope for our blue planet. Innovative scientific research is discovering new ways to fight microbial resistance. Scientists are currently exploring deep ocean trenches to find novel antibiotics. These cold, unexplored depths might hold the ultimate cure for superbugs. Bacteriophages, which are tiny viruses that exclusively hunt and kill bacteria, offer another highly promising and exciting new medical treatment option today. These helpful viruses can be programmed to target only dangerous superbugs. They safely ignore the beneficial good bacteria living inside our bodies. Education is also an incredibly powerful weapon in this ongoing battle. Understanding the hidden microscopic world helps us make better daily choices. By sharing this crucial knowledge, you can protect your loved ones. Awareness drives the massive social changes needed to heal our oceans. Let us pledge to keep our beautiful sandy beaches completely clean. Pick up your trash and always dispose of dangerous chemicals properly. Support local environmental organizations that work tirelessly to protect coastal ecosystems. Their dedicated efforts ensure a healthier future for the next generations. The next time you walk barefoot along the warm ocean shore, remember the vast, invisible universe hidden quietly beneath your own toes. Appreciate the complex beauty of nature, but always remain highly cautious. Knowledge is your absolute best defense against these invisible microscopic killers. This incredible journey into the sand has revealed a shocking truth. Our modern daily actions directly shape the evolution of microscopic life. We have the unique power to reverse this dangerous pollution trend. Working together, we can easily restore the natural harmony of oceans. Let us transform our contaminated beaches back into safe, happy havens. A clean, natural environment is the ultimate foundation of human health. Thank you so much for joining us on this scientific adventure. We truly hope you learned valuable lessons about marine biology today. Please protect yourself and the natural environment by adopting green lifestyles. Your conscious daily choices truly matter in this grand, beautiful ecosystem. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to support us. We will bring you more amazing scientific discoveries very soon today. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the hidden wonders around you. Goodbye from Microbe World. See you in the next video.